Today you graduate as strong, compassionate and independent women. Very soon you will begin your lives beyond the school gates. Your strength and your compassion will be called upon to help you navigate the highs and the lows that will inevitably come your way. As you reflect on your time here, think about the experiences that shaped you, the friendships that supported you, and the lessons that will guide you forward.
So Year 12, this is it. The culmination of so many early mornings, late nights, training sessions, carnivals, classes that once felt too long but now feel too short, moments of joy and friendship. It's surreal and a little bit scary, but I know that I am more confident about the future than I have ever been, knowing that I'm entering it alongside such a supportive and determined cohort. Lucy and I are so excited to see all of the amazing things you achieve, because even though this particular chapter is reaching its conclusion, today is really just the beginning of 120 rich and purposeful lives.
Someday, these moments will become stories and our pictures will become old photographs. But when the time comes to reminisce on the good old days, remember that you are a mosaic of everyone you've ever loved and has loved you. And there's a lot of love within our cohort, so I know I speak on behalf of all Year 12s when I say thank you for moulding me into the person I am today.
You have been the most beautiful Year 12 cohort. We are so proud of you, and we can't wait to see what your future brings for you. Thank you.